Hi everybody, are you ready to go on with another grammar topic from our upper intermediate book? I can hear you saying yay! Okay, this is the first of unit 2 and it is called, as you see here, verbs with stative and dynamic uses. I know that you have pretty much idea about this because you know stative verbs and active verbs. However, we're going to see some different points of this, let me say. So let's start to learn what they are and how they are used. First of all, look at the photo, please. As you see, there are some company names, let me say. Okay, do you know any of the multinational companies in the photo? I am pretty sure that you know KFC, and we can see the alphabet here, Starbucks, but I don't know if you have any idea of the others. Do you know any other multinational companies then? No? Yes? Alright, let me show you some examples. As you see here, McDonald's and Sony or American Express or IBM, these are all multinational companies. Now we're going to read the text below. As you can understand, the text is going to be about, yay, of course, multinational companies again. I'd like you to read it and find the answer of that question. What positive aspects of multinational corporations are mentioned? Here, corporation means foundation or, again, company, you can say. You are going to have 30 seconds to read and find the answer. You can start now. Time is up. All right, could you find the answer? Let me show you that and let me explain it for you then. Multinational companies can offer varied job opportunities, especially for young people. As you see here, they often have branches in many countries. So it means that not only in one country, but also in some others. For example, let me think. I don't remember the name. I cannot. All right, let's talk about Burger King, okay? Burger King is not only in Turkey, you know, it is also in America, in some other countries as well. So it means that corporation is a multinational one. Or, yeah, okay, I have just remembered, like Subway. Subway can be found in England, in Europe, in Turkey as well. So in many different countries, those multinational corporations can have branches. And as they have branches in other countries as well, they can offer lots of different job opportunities for, as you see here, especially young people. Okay, that is the positive aspect of those. Now we'll go on with notice part. We're going to underline the verbs in the text that are in the simple form, but if you have your books, please underline them in your book as well. Let me show you here. As you see, have, offer, take, think, or looks, these are all used in simple forms in this text. Now we're going to circle the same verbs that are used in the continuous form this time. As you see here, are having, are thinking. Okay, let's look at the second pair, are thinking and think. When we see are thinking there, let's read the sentence. Young people are thinking of applying for jobs, blah, blah, blah. That think. Does that mean having an opinion or planning to do something? Yeah, it means planning to do something. Because in that sentence, we can understand that young people are planning to apply for jobs, blah, blah, blah. But the other one, some people think that. That shows me the idea of some people, okay? Let me give another example. Let's say I have a car, okay? If I use that, it shows that I own it. So it is not something about action, but it is about condition or state of something. If I use I'm having breakfast right now, it that time means the dynamic use. It refers to the action itself, activity itself, because I'm having breakfast means I'm doing it right now. Could you understand? Okay, let me show you. Progressive form means continuous form, dynamic use, and refers to action or activity. However, simple form, stative use, refers to state or condition. Form and function. First of all, on this slide page, we're going to read the information, and on the other slide page, we're going to complete the table with the examples from the text. Some verbs are rarely used in continuous form, and you know they are called stative verbs. You know stative or active verbs. Now, some stative verbs here is important, commonly have both stative and dynamic uses with different meanings, okay? That is important. Let me show you. Yeah. Be, have, see, or think. Actually, we have more, but these are enough for you now. For example, multinationals are huge companies. Here I'm talking about a general truth, something permanent. I'm talking about the state, the condition. But you are not being serious. I'm talking about the behavior of that person, acting, okay? Look at the second one. Now I write examples from the text, you know. They often have branches in many countries, blah, blah, blah. So here have means possession or owning something. On the other hand, these companies are having a major effect, etc. It means causing, experiencing. Okay, good. For C, you see signs, blah, blah, blah. You understand, you notice, you can realize. But Jane has been seeing Tom for 2 years now. It shows me that they have been dating for 2 years. Okay? All right, think. Have an opinion, as I've told you. Some people think that, but the process of thought or something plan or action I use young people are thinking of applying for jobs, etc. Could you understand how they are used? All right, if you have questions, you know, you'll be able to ask me in class. Let's go on. What's the right part? She's being an intern at a multinational company. Intern means, how can I say, pre-worker, or let me say, before being a real worker, you become first intern to learn the job, and after that you become a real worker there, okay? So she's an intern at a multinational company is much better because I'm talking about the state of her. I'm not talking about behavior or acting that belongs to her. For this reason, the second one is correct. Okay, you know, it's your time to do your homework and upload it to me. Please don't forget. All right, love you. See you tomorrow.